Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to another video. So in the today's session, we are going to talk about what are the additional skills or associated skills is required to get job as a Power BI developer. So nowadays, only with the Power BI skills, you may not get more calls. Also, you may not get job as well. So therefore, I am going to explain the few additional skills also required to get Power BI job in IT industry nowadays. So whatever associated skills I am going to list out, those skills are depends on the project. Based on the project and the client, the skills may be vary. So before going to explain the main topic, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also don't forget to hit the like button as well. So without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. What are the associated skills are required to get Power BI job very fast? Okay, so as you know very well, what are the primary skills are required to become a Power BI developer? Nowadays, only few companies only they are hiring with the primary skills of Power BI developer. Like what are the primary skills? So you know very well what are the primary skills are required to become a Power BI developer. First thing is you should be good knowledge on Power BI concepts, and second thing is you must be strong in DAX, and third one is you should be good in to write SQL queries, and fourth one is you must be good in to create dashboards, and also you must be good in to generate reports as well. So these are the primary skills to become a Power BI developer. Okay, and to survive as a Power BI developer. But nowadays most of the IT companies are they are not prefer to hire who have only primary skills of Power BI developer. The companies are expecting multiple skills from the Power BI developer or data visualization developer. Therefore, I am going to list out some of the associated skills for Power BI developer to get jobs soon. It is also based on the client and their project. They are expecting skills. So let me tell you a few of the associated skills for Power BI developer. The first associated skill is like a Power Automate. Power automation skills are some companies are expecting based on their project. And second one is advanced Excel with VBA scripting. So nowadays some companies are expecting VBA scripting as well for Power BI developer. And the third associate skill is Alter YX. Nowadays many companies are expecting these skills, Alter YX as well. And fourth one is Azure Data Factory as well. And the next one is TSQL, Transaction SQL. And some companies are expecting these skills as well for Power BI developer. TSQL and normalization concept, relational database management concept, data modeling concept, dimensional modeling. Okay, so these are all the additional skills for Power BI developer. You must have these skills as well to get job as a Power BI developer nowadays. And one more associate skills also expecting some companies like SharePoint skills as well. You must be experienced in SharePoint skills as well. And some companies expecting ETL as well. And some companies based on their project they are expecting big data related technology like Spark and Hadoop as well for data streaming purpose. And also some companies are expecting some experience like CDC pipeline as well. CDC means change data capturing. So whenever you are changing any data in the database, okay, so they observe this pipeline, this workflow observe what type of data has changed. Okay, so that you must be strong experience on CDC pipeline and workflow as well. And also some companies are expecting experience like you must be worked on different file formats like Avro, CSV, GIF file and JSON, etc. Okay, so like this based on their project and based on their requirement, so they are expecting a different skill set for Power BI developer. Therefore be careful who are working as a Power BI developer. So based on their client, based on their project requirement, they are keep on updating their skills. But you must be give preference on your primary skills only, like Power BI related skills like creating dashboards and creating reports. Okay, as well as Power BI topics and strong SQL server. Okay, and Azure. These are the primary skills. So along with that, based on the client and based on the project, the companies are expecting different skill sets. But I am not saying you have to learn all these concepts. So based on your interest, you can choose the one skill set, get the some basic knowledge, and you can add that skills in the resume. Then you will get calls and you can get job easily as well. Because during the interview, you are focused 70% of the interview questions on Power BI concepts only. Okay, remaining 30% or 20% will focus on associated skill set. Okay, so you just remember this point as well. Always the interviewer will focus on Power BI concepts only, maximum. The remaining 20% or 30% skill set, he will focus on associated skill set. My conclusion was, to get job as a Power BI developer, nowadays the companies are expecting multi-skill set. If you are very good on Power BI concepts, so you may not get more calls nowadays. You will get few calls only. So to get more calls and to get job very fast, then you have to learn some associated skill set as well. Then you can get Power BI job. So that's all guys, mind. If you really like this video, please hit the like button, and also please share to your friends as well. Please share to your network as well. So to grow our channel quickly. Okay. So we will meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.